You need $2.2 million to be considered wealthy in America today. So how to make that money? The first mistake most people make is to get scared when both markets, stock and cryptocurrencies, are in the deep red, so they don't invest. On the other hand, when markets prices go into the green, people feel optimistic and start buying a lot. This pattern leads to almost certain loss, so don't do it. Do the opposite. Second, even when you are brave when everyone else is scared, another mistake that happens is investing in what you like. 3/4 of people are doing the same thing as you. What you should invest in is what those people like. So, how to know what they like? I'll be honest here. People are sheep, and they just think that they make decisions on their own. The truth is that they like what is imposed on them as a cool thing. So, who imposes these things? The rich and the media, which they pay. You might have guessed by now that the way to make big bucks is to be on the opposite side of the crowd. So the third thing you should do is follow the money of the rich. The problem here is that by the time that information reaches you, it's too late. I know. This means that the rich have already paid the media to convince you to invest in something. And this means that you are the one that someone is selling to for a high price. So do your research again and again, and then again, and find the information before anyone else. I know, all of this is difficult, but only a fool thinks that money can be made without effort.